Hello everyone. Today we make mini granny square. First make magic ring. Now make 3 chains. In first make 2 double crochet. Again make 3 chains and 3 double crochet. Note, repeat the same process 2 more times. In the last means 4th time, just make 3 chains. Make slip stitch. For the second part, secure the yarn. First make 2 chains. Now make 3 double crochet. Again, make 3 chains for perfect shape. Now make 3 double crochet in the same hole. At this point we make 1 chain for space. Again repeat the same process. 3 double crochet, 3 chains again, 3 double crochet in the same spot and 1 chain for space. In the end, make slip stitch. For the third part, first secure the yarn. Now make 3 chains and 3 double crochet. make 1 chain. Now make 3 double crochet, 3 chains and 3 double crochet in the same spot, same as we do in second part. Repeat the same process for all spots. In the last make, slip, stitch. For the final part, make single crochet in each stitch. For the perfect corners, make 2 single crochet to chains, again 2 single crochet in the same hole. Repeat the same process. In the last make, slip, stitch. Now we have for different sizes. Make earrings with this mini granny square.